Hello class 10. Today we are going to discuss life processes. Children, we know living organisms, they have different life processes which are very important for their survival. These life processes are metabolism, nutrition, reproduction, photosynthesis, growth, movement, etc. So here we are going to discuss very important, that is nutrition in organisms. Children, we eat food. Food is very important because it gives energy, it helps us to grow, it repairs dead cells and also helps in reproduction. For nutrition, we obtain food. Based on it, organisms are divided in two important categories. Number one, autotrophic organism, that is autotrophic, and second one is heterotrophic. Autotrophic organisms which can prepare their food by themselves. It means like green plants, photosynthesis is a very important process in the green plants by which they prepare their food in presence of sunlight. The second type of autotrophic organism, that is chemosynthesis. It means these organisms, they are depending on some special chemical reactions or processes for energy. In photosynthesis, energy comes from sunlight. And examples you know very well, these are green plants, blue-green algae, and some types of bacteria. Chemosynthesis, some different bacteria like sulfur bacteria, etc., they are depending on chemicals, special chemicals for energy. The second type, that is heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition, organisms, those who are depending on other organisms for their food. Based on their requirement or the mode of nutrition, we divide them into holozoic nutrition, saprophytic nutrition, and third one is parasitic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition means these organisms, they obtain their food from other organisms, like we are in this category, like all animals. The second type is saprophytic. Saprophytic organisms are obtaining their food from dead remains of plants and animals. That is saprophytic organism, like some bacteria, fungi, and earthworm. The third category, that is parasitic organisms. Parasitic organisms, they are feeding on other living organisms to obtain their nutrition. For example, coscuta, mosquito, leeches, they are example of parasitic organism. Another important process, that is metabolism. Metabolism is a biochemical reaction. It is made up of two important, that is anabolism and catabolism. Anabolism, that is making of complex molecules from simple molecules, is known as anabolism. Catabolism, complex molecules are converted into simple molecules, that is known as catabolism. So metabolism is combination of anabolism and catabolism. So further topic will be continued, children, in the next video.